Oh, you're fixing that for sure.
This is good thing you got a brand new set sitting in the house, right? That I already fucking bought.
Wait, I thought you said shit don't break when you have to sit in that hole.
Yeah, they do when they're fucking that far fucking expanded.
Bring it over here.
His body was like rattling because the tires were fucking going that fast. How did you manage to get your tire to fly off the rim?
Came unglued.
What?
They came unglued.
Come on, run it to me.
No, it's just poor glue job.
Oh, of course.
I think I'm just gonna replace them all. I
Oh,
have
you
to.
think? Or are you gonna try to
Might as
super
well.
glue it back on?
Yeah.
I wouldn't try to glue it back. I'll throw the fuckers in the trash. They're full of fucking water and shit.
Here.
And dirt anyway, so. No, don't throw them away.
Oh well.
That's why they're fucking ballooning like that.
Yep. That's what my fucking Talon does, but
Well,
I'm not
that's
buying
the end of
another
these
set of
wheels.
tires for those for a